Trading on Solana moves at the speed of light. Today, we're going to observe a Solana sniper bot and see how it interacts with newly launched meme coins in real time. Let's jump right in. As you guys know, we do automated slippage now and priority feeds, so you guys do not have to worry about that anymore. We did just help you guys out, and we hope you'll love it. And then if you're using your own RPC down here, like I said, the fully custom RPC support, simply check this tick box and put in your endpoints here. So now, sniping time. Lift you right into it. For video purposes, I'm already doing 0.01. You guys just do whatever you're comfortable with. Never ever full pour, anything like that. Always be safe. I'm going to set my take profit for video purposes at 10. We'll put a 50 stop loss and our timeout at 500 seconds. As for safety, I'm going to go ahead and put these at 100. I'm feeling risky. You guys do not follow me. Choose what you're comfortable with. As for dexes, we're going to choose all of them. And all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and start running the bot. As you can see here, the bot starts successfully. And I will be back with you guys when we're in a snipe. And boom, guys, looks like we got a snipe here. We are currently in me trade right now. And let's see what happens to it. As you can see here, you have your chart right here. You can also view it on SoulScam, Dex Screener, or GMG and AI. While we're checking out what this thing does, I do want to go ahead and talk to you guys. Just in case you don't know what timeout is, pretty much this is just, say I bought it and put it on 10 seconds. The bot would automatically sell after 10 seconds. So that's pretty much just saying, how long would I like to hold it before I manually sell it, or the bot will do it for me. And oh, the candle's coming in, guys. Look at that. We are up 5% right now. Look there. A big candle's coming in, guys. And boom. As you can see, we went ahead and hit our take profit. Let's go and snipe another one. I'll be back when we snipe into another one, boys. So there we are, guys. We are in another snipe here. Pure Sequence Hero. You guys can see the coin information at the top left also. Or obviously just check out the chart on any of these three links right here. Oh, and there we go. A big candle coming. And I do want to go and show you guys right here. So pretty much what will happen in your logs when you're in a snipe is, as you can see here, I see a new token launch, shows the address. I have my safety check delay at 10 seconds. Pretty much what the safety check delay is how many seconds, is the bot going to wait to buy in after seeing the coin launch. And whoa, chart's kind of taken off there, guys. That we'd love to see that. But as you can see, the token passed all internal filter checks and all premium filter checks, which is why it went ahead and got me in, started the buying process, and 2 seconds later we were in. And wow, look there. I'm talking to you guys and we hit our take profit. What a successful trade. I want you guys to know those were 2 back-to-back trades. And, maybe the market's high right now, but we are loving it. The sniper is working awesomely. Hey, boom. I went ahead and did a third snipe for you guys standing off this tutorial video, because why would we not, boys? As you can see here, we are in Metazen coin. Chart is looking beautiful. We're up 7%. And boom. Just like that, guys, our take profit is reached. So that was really quick. I tapped recording as soon as we got into that one. But as you guys can see, we had our take profit in 50 seconds. Pretty good trade.
That brings us to the end of our look at this tool. Do you find it interesting to watch these kinds of snipers work, or do you prefer doing things yourself at your own pace? If you have any experiences or opinions you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. It is always great to hear different points of view and have a quiet, helpful conversation about it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you found this simple look at the sniper helpful or interesting, feel free to leave a like or subscribe to the channel for more straightforward videos. See you soon, guys, and I will see you in the next one.